Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here's my forecast for the week starting 15th of August and ending on the 19th of August 2022. You need to place pending orders as soon as the markets open on Sunday evening and let them run until the end of the week. First, here's the disclaimer. Forex trading carries high risk. Do not trade with the money you cannot afford to lose. This is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor, therefore I will not be held responsible for any loss incurred. Please trade on a demo account first until you are confident. Okay, here's my forecast. Buy Australian dollar against US dollar at 0.7136 with the first take profit level at 0.7192. The second take profit level at 0.7266 and the stop loss at 0.7021. Then buy Australian dollar Canadian dollar at 0.9108 with the take profit 1 at 0.9168, take profit 2 at 0.9241 and the stop loss at 0.9014. And sell Euro JPY at 136.83 with the first take profit at 136.57, the second take profit at 136.34 and the stop loss at 137.42. Sell GBP Swiss franc at 1.1418 with the first take profit level at 1.1402, second take profit at 1.1331 and the stop loss at 1.1505. And sell Euro New Zealand dollar at 1.5880, first take profit level at 1.5761, second take profit at 1.5657 and the stop loss at 1.6029. And buy New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen at 86.27 with the first take profit level at 86.54, second take profit at 86.99 and the stop loss at 85.39. Then buy New Zealand dollar against US dollar at 0.6477, first take profit at 0.6560 and the second take profit at 0.6617 and the stop loss at 0.6349. These are the 7 pending orders that you need to place as soon as the market opens on Sunday evening. I hope you're going to make good money this week and write down in the comments box how much you made this week. All the best, take care and good night.